This is a brand new 2013 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, heated seats, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an electronic throttle, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a split folding rear seat, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.